Factorize completely 2xy minus 6mn minus 3my plus 4nx. So we are given 2xy minus 6mn minus 3my plus 4nx. These are the values given to us, and we are told to factorize completely. So if we can factorize this algebraic expression, we have to rearrange these terms, right, in such a way that at least two of them will have common values, right? Now we have 2xy, we have y in this, we have y here, we have m in this term, we have m here, we have n in this term, we also have n in this term. So we can rearrange them, right, depending on how you want it. So let's take it as I want to first write the 2xy. So 2xy, and I want to continue it with the negative 3my. So negative 3my. Since it didn't cross any inequality or equal to, then it is still what? Negative. Now the next one I want to write is my 4nx. So which is positive here, 4nx, and then I follow it by the negative 6mn. Right. Now having this, you see that we have y in these two terms, we have n in these two terms, right? But when you consider these numbers, 2 and 3, is there a number that can divide 2 and divide 3 at the same time? There is no number, right? That means these numbers are not having any common factors. But if you take y and y, we have y and y here, so it means y is common to these two terms, therefore we can write it. Okay, now after writing it, we have x, there is no x here. We have m, there is no m here, so we can't write those ones. So you open a bracket. Now we've taken y from this term, so what is left here? 2x, right? So you write your 2x minus, we've taken y from this term, so what is left here? 3m. Now you close the brackets. Plus, we come here, we are talking about these two terms too, 4nx minus 6mn, right? Now, 4 and 6, is there a number that can divide 4 and also divide 6 exactly? Yes, there is a number. Which number is that? That is 2, right? So you write it here, we have 2. Is there any letter 2 which is common to these two terms? Yes, there is n here, there is n here. So you write that one too. That one too is common. What about x? There is no x here, it's not common. M is not here too, so it's not common. So considering these two terms, we have 2n as a factor of these two terms. Now you open a bracket. Now that we have 2n as a factor, we have written it here. We take that from this first term and the results, we write it here. To make it simple for you, you can write it like this. 4nx, you divide by the common factor 2n. Now 4 divides 2 will be what? 2. N can divide n. Now it will be left with what? X. So what is left here? 2x. Minus, you take the 6mn, you divide by the common factor, which is 2n. 6 divides 2 is what? 3. N divides n. Now it's left with what? M here. So we have 3m left. Okay. Now let me clear this one so that we proceed from there. Now the next thing to do is to check if there are common terms in the brackets. You see, you have 2x minus 3m here. We have 2x minus 3m here. So it means that these two are one of the factors of the algebraic expression, right? So you write it, 2x minus 3m. You open another bracket. We have y plus 2n. That is those outside the brackets. You write them two in one bracket. So y, we have y plus 2n. That's 2 in a bracket. So this becomes the factorized form of the algebraic expression 2xy minus 6mn minus 3my plus 4nx. Our final answer is what? 2x minus 3m multiplying y plus 2n.